Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water filter. This water filter is located under the refrigerator inside the toe grill on the right. It's designed to provide clean, fresh water. Featuring a carbon block filter, it's effectively reduces contaminants. The refrigerator water filter is recommended to be replaced every 6 months. To get to the part, we need to open the door. So when we open the door, we can see this toe grill, and this is the filter knob. I'm going to slide the towel underneath of the filter. We may have some water dripping out. And next I'm going to grab this filter knob and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. And I'm going to pull out the filter. Do it rather quick because the water will be dripping down. Next I'm going to remove this handle from the filter. Just slide it off. Put it down. And we're going to put it onto the new filter. This is the old water filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so next we're going to install this handle onto the new filter. I'm going to slide it in. And I'm going to remove this safety cap. Just pulls off. And we're going to insert the filter in. And I'm going to turn it clockwise to lock it. And I'm going to take out the towel. Now we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.